Getting your car fixed can be pretty tough sometimes, but you know what's even worse? Getting handed a bill full of charges that feel like they appeared out of thin air.
And here's your bill, madam.
All you needed was to get your brake pads changed, and all of a sudden...
Is this your charge? Is this your charge? Is this your charge? Is this your charge?
The bill starts to feel like it's all just sleight of hand.
Oh, would you look at that? Even more charges. They just keep coming.
That's why I ditched the bill magicians and started bringing my car to Main Street Mechanic in American Fork. They're local, honest, and upfront about what my car needs. They listen to my concerns and make sure I understand everything they're going to do. That way there are no surprises in my bill. They make sure I get the most miles for the dollars I spend. So ditch the magic act.
What's this behind your ear? It's your credit card.
Not today, Merlin. And take your car to Main Street Mechanic in American Fork. Get great service with no surprises. Click on the link below to get 50% off your next oil change.